If you are serious about scaling your business and get consistency online, you need the right strategy to actually reach the right customers. With this powerful WhatsApp marketing tool, you can grow your business and get maximum result in a very short time. This is the interface of the software, but before we dive into details, let me first of all show you how to install the software the right way. Alright, so this is the software file. Once this is downloaded, you just have to right click on it and then select extract here. So once extracted, you have to double click on the folder, okay, and install Wasender setup. Once you double click on it, you have to wait while it install. Click on next, click next, next again. This may take a while, so you just have to wait while it processes. So once this dialog box pops up, you have to click yes to continue. Now the installation process is completed, so we have to close the dialog box and open the crack folder. Select and copy everything you have in this crack folder. Copy, you can right click on it, then select copy, or you can use Ctrl C to copy this. Next, click on local disk C and then click on program file 86. Now search for Wasender from here, from the search bar, Wasender. Click next to search for that. Double click here and open the folder. Right click and paste the copied items here. Replace, continue, continue, continue. That was because we have 3 items copied from the cracked folder. Alright, so after that you have to open the Chrome driver. Then you check this particular Chrome if it corresponds with the one on your PC. Okay, so I will double click on it. Alright, so what we have here is 1.16, version 1.16 of the Chrome driver. Okay, so what I have on my system, I'm going to check. Alright, so I'll open my Chrome browser from here. At the top right of your Chrome browser, you click on the 3-dot menu here and then go down to where you have settings. Click on settings. At the left hand side, scroll down and click about Chrome. So what we have here is 151 version against 116. So what you are going to do at this point is to search for Chrome driver download. Okay, just hit enter, then use the first link. Okay, once this open, you just click on Chrome version 115 under download Chrome driver. So you just click on the first one, which is Chrome version 115 plus. Okay, what we're about to download is 151. So we'll just scroll down. All right, this is 150 and this is 151. So you go down a bit to where you have Windows 64. Here is Chrome driver Windows 64. So I'll copy the link and go to a different tab and paste it here. So as you can see, we have it downloading at the top right of the screen. So I'll just wait for it to download. Okay, so the download is completed. I'll have to go to my download. Okay, so I will click on download here, and this is the file we just downloaded, Chrome driver Windows 64. Okay, so I will copy this and then go to the file location, program file 86, and then we'll have to look for Wasender. We double click to open the folder, and this is where we have our Chrome driver. You can paste the zip file here, click on continue, right click on the zip file and click on extract here, click yes. Okay, so now what we're going to do is to delete this, delete, and then open this folder, This is what we need. Copy, go back here, and then replace what we have there. Continue. Okay, and then delete this. Once replaced, you just delete the folder. Okay, next you have to copy this and go back to the main folder. Here you can see we have Chrome driver here, so you have to replace the one inside the folder. Click on continue and you are done. So once you double click on this, you find out that you have a corresponding Chrome driver with the Chrome browser you have on your PC. Okay, that is exactly how you can actually install this software the right way. And now let's go ahead and open it and see how it displays on the system. I'll just close this and double click on the WASender from my desktop. So as you can see, this is the interface. If you find this video helpful, please do well to subscribe, like and share with friends. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.